are Emily Kinney,
Kathleen Lemoyne,
and Kelsey Hayward.
We are students at the University of South Alabama in EDM 310 with Dr. Strange. For this podcast assignment, we will be discussing and demonstrating Chapter 5, Add It Up, from the book Teach Like Your Hair's on Fire, The Methods and Madness Inside Room 56, by Rafe Esquith. For math class, many students lose their interest with being assigned problem after problem. Rafe Esquith quotes, "If a child can do 10 multiplication problems, why in the world make her do 500? And if she can't do 10 multiplication problems, why make her do 500? There are many ways to make math fun and have the students involved in wanting to learn. A few examples would be the Buzz Game, Mental Math Warm-Up, and Marcy Cook's Tile Problems. First off, let's start with the Buzz Game. What is it?
The Buzz Game is a 10-minute counting game where all students are involved. The teacher then picks a number. The class, picked at random order, will start the count off. When the number that was picked by the teachers come up, the student must say buzz in place of it. For example, if 3 was the number, the students would count off, and when they got to 3 or any number with the 3 in it, the students would say buzz in its place. For example, 1,
2,
Buzz.
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11,
12,
buzz.
14.
15. What are ways to make the Buzz Game advanced?
Addition and multiplication. For addition, if the number was 8, the numbers 17, 1 plus 7, 26, 2 plus 6, 35, 3 plus 5, and 44, 4 plus 4, could not be said, but buzzed because the two numbers added together equal 8. For multiplication, if the number was 5, the multiples of 5 could not be said. For example, 10, 15, and 20 could not be said, but buzzed. If students need more of a challenge, the addition and multiplication could be combined into one game. Mental Math Warm-Up by Marcy Cook. What is the point of the mental math warm-up?
To have students' minds working and them being involved in the classroom atmosphere. This once-only a math game may be combined in other subjects such as history. It is also a game where the students are not singled out in case their answer is wrong because they're just holding up their tile or piece of paper with their answer on it.
How do you play the mental math warm-up?
While students are at their desks, the teacher will give the students a number with different problems to solve trying to get the final answer. An example with just the subject of math is as follows. Start with the number 3. Multiply it by 7. The answer will then be 21. Add 14. After adding 14, you will get 35. Divide by 5. Once divided, the final answer will be 7. The students then hold up the tile or piece of paper with their answer on it, which should be 7. A way to combine other subjects into the mental math warm-up would be, how many stars are on the United States flag? 50. Subtract the total number of stripes. 13. So 50 minus 13 is 37. Subtract the number of red stripes, which is 7, and would give you 30. Add the number of white stripes, which is 6, so your final answer would be 36. With these examples, the students will be able to make up their own problems for others to solve. The last one is Tile Problems by Marcy Cook. The students are each given a problem sheet like the example sheet shown. The students will then take their tiles out of their desks, which are numbered 0 through 9. With each tile number only being used once, the students have to figure out where each tile will be placed without using the tile twice. Here is an example.
Here's one of Marcy Cook's tile problems. In the first block, you have something plus 3 equals 6. Well, this could be 3, so we're going to try that. In the next blocks, you have something plus something equals 13. We know 8 plus 5 equals 13, so let's try that. And then down below, you have something plus something equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10, and we haven't used those numbers, so we're going to put those in. Below that, you have something plus something equals 3. Well, the only thing you can do is 2 plus 1. Right below that, something plus 2 equals 11. That has to be 9. So the only blocks left we have are 0 and 7. So this has to go up here. So now we have used every number and then we've completed our problem.